Hey guys, this is Caleb with Kingdom here in Henderson, North Carolina. Today I've got a walkthrough video for you of this Sundowner Super Sport, and this is the 3-horse slant load with the tack room. We're going to take a walk through this. This is a 2019 model and it is a pre-owned model. Just rolled in and is now listed on our website, and it is listed at $19,880. So let's take a look at this. Starting up here, you've got your normal hookups, chains, 7-pin for the truck, spare tire, manual jack. Coming into the tack room there, this does have the nice, very spacious tack room. You've got the saddle rack there. Nice size tack room. And then you've also got the carpeted neck on this one. Plenty of storage space in this one. This does have lights in here as well as a light above the tack room door. Moving down, there's the escape door. So it's 3 stalls. Each stall will have a drop feed window at the head. You can see the one is there in that tack room door, and the other 2 are there on the side. Nice chest bar there. Moving around to the back of the trailer. On the left side, you do have the collapsible rear tack on this one. That saddle rack that was in the tack room can be moved to back here, and it does swing. So if you wanted it out of the way of the tack room, you could move it back here and have a space for that back here as well. This one does have double load lights above the doors, and it does have a slider on that right rear door. Padded butt bar with the release. Padded dividers with the airflow head stalls. Slam latches. And there's that glass stall leading out with the escape door. Coming back out of the trailer and onto the passenger side of the trailer. This one has the slider windows on the kick side. So each stall will have a slider at the kick side and a drop feed window at the head side. Pretty basic here on the passenger side, as everything is over there on the other side. This is a beautiful, beautiful trailer. Love the black with the high-sided extruded aluminum. Again, this is a pre-owned 2019 Sundowner Super Sport, and this is the 3-horse slant with a tack room, with escape door, with drop feed windows. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 443-528-3559. And check out our website, www.nchorsetrailers.com.